was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be celebrating Christmas in July, and we're going to be doing some Christmas tree ornaments that were inspired by some looks I saw at Hobby Lobby getting put out right now. So let's get started. So we're going to take some chalkboard tags that I saw at the Dollar Tree and an old Christmas card that I had from last year, and we're going to be using the writing on the inside as well as some parts of the outside. So we're just going to trace the inside words to fit on our tag, and then I'm just using some regular glue stick to glue it because these chalkboard tags are actually just paper. And then I took a pick that I had left over from last year. However, Hobby Lobby has their picks out now, so if you were wanting to recreate this, you could actually go get this now. And then I'm just going to glue some of the berries and some ribbon down onto the card. And you could leave it like that if you wanted to. For the Christmas tree ornament, we're going to add a little bit more to it from the front of the card. So we're going to take another chalkboard tag and we're going to trace around the car. I realized that when I was doing this that I traced it the wrong direction and ended up having to do it again because I wanted the car to be facing a different way. So just double check when you're doing that you have it in the direction that you want to do it. And then we're just going to cut that out and glue it on just like we did the inside of the card. I did take the hanger part of the chalkboard tag out, so then I'm just using scissors to poke a hole back through there and add that tag back on there. I didn't realize this entire part of this video was fast forwarded, so it's basically the same thing though. You're going to glue on the paper onto the tag and then attach the string part. I don't think that you actually have to have the string part for both pieces of paper. I attach them both back on, but I think one is all you really need because that's where you're going to hang it on the tree. And then I'm going to glue them together so that there are two tags and we're seeing part of the car and the words from the inside. Again, with the backwards part, when I was hanging this up, my words are opposite where I would rather have them be hanging the same way. So just when you're cutting out the card onto the tag, make sure you have it in the direction that you want it to go. I think this is so super cute, and I basically spent $1 on it because I had all of the other materials on hand. So for project number 2, we're going to take another chalkboard tag from the Dollar Tree. These are round ones, so they're going to look more like a Christmas bulb. And then I'm just taking some scrapbook paper that I had left over that came in a scrapbook pack from Hobby Lobby. They also have their scrapbook paper, 25 cents each, and they do have a lot of cute Christmas ones. So I'm going to take the paper and then I'm just going to trace around one of the circle bulbs on the paper because I want it to look like it's a bulb.
And then time almost came to a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe someday.
So I'm doing that same thing I did with the tag in the first project, and I had taken the string part off, so we're just using scissors and we're going back through the same hole that was on the chalkboard tag, and then we're going to put our string back in there and hang it with the string that it came with. So for the ribbon, I'm just tying a regular shoelace bow, and then I'm going to tie it at the top there, and I'm going to dovetail the ends of the ribbon. And to dovetail the ends of the ribbon, we're just going to fold the ribbon over and then cut diagonally, and it'll give you that high-end look.
We forgot
So comment below and let me know, do you have a themed Christmas tree, or do you just have collected ornaments that you've given each other over the year? We have a tradition where we give each other a Christmas tree ornament every Christmas Eve, and we come up with a theme that we pick, and so our tree is full of all kinds of different ornaments that we've given each other, and it is like the most special thing that I do for Christmas is decorating my tree. So that is my most favorite part. Let me know in the comments about your tree.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree.
This is so simple, but it is so cute, and I could see all kinds of different choices with all the different scrapbook paper. The sky is really the limit there. For our last ornament, I picked up these round wood pieces at Hobby Lobby. I think with my coupon they ended up being like $2 for 4 of them. And then I'm going to use Waverly white chalk paint, and I'm just going to paint both sides of all 4 circles with the chalk paint. Come and behold him, born the King. So now that the circles are painted, and we're just going to take these scrapbook letters, and they're stickers, and we're going to put them on these circles spelling out different words. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Now the ornaments I saw at Hobby Lobby were just this. They had black lettering with white, kind of like a Ray Dunn inspired look, but I think these look too plain, so I'm going to go ahead and add a couple other elements to these. First I'm going to take some twine, and I'm going to make the hanger on the back, and I'm just going to use hot glue and then press that down. And then next I'm going to take a pick with some greenery and berries, and I'm just going to add that to the side of the piece of wood. I realized I probably should have added some Mod Podge to the front of these where the letters were before I started adding all the other parts to it, so make sure you don't skip that step if you're using stickers. Father, now in flesh appearing, come let us. I felt like these were still missing something, so I decided to take that same ribbon from before, and we're just going to tie shoelace bows again, and we're going to glue it to the front of the ornament. Christ the Lord. These turned out so cute, and they were so easy to make, and they would make a great craft for kids to do. So, creating Christmas tree ornaments today was super fun, and I am really ready for holidays and sweater weather and hot cocoa and all the really fun things that come along with the Christmas season and decorating. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so it notifies you every time I make a new video. And comment below and let me know what part of the holiday season you are most excited to decorate for. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. Till next time.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.